Hello everyone, my name is Mama Hearts Makeup and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this Beetlejuice inspired Halloween makeup using only regular makeup that you probably have in your stash right now. So I didn't use any face paints or anything like that, so it's totally achievable by anyone who is crazy for Tim Burton movies like me, or who just really likes his makeup look. So yeah, that's it. And here I am thinking I look cute, and okay, here we go. I did the first eye off camera per usual, and I like to do that. It kind of works out the kinks before I turn the camera on, you know what I mean? And I'm using this white foundation by LA Girl for the first time. I've never used a white foundation ever, and I really liked it. But I'm using it as a primer here for my eyeshadow, and then going over that with a black gel liner as a base as well. Now use your favorite black eyeshadow. You don't have to use the same products that I'm using. I've always said that. Use what you have. And going over that into the outer crease just a little bit, and going over the top of that completely with a deep purple eyeshadow. Again, your favorite purple eyeshadow that you might have. Then blending that in a bit more with a fluffier brush, just so it looks more cohesive. The black and the purple kind of blend together. Now touching over the black eyeshadow a little bit more, and now going over the top of that for a transition shade, this kind of deep lavender color, and really going onto the lid with that. Blend, blend. Now using a black gel eyeliner in the tight line and also the waterline. I really wanted a smoked out, sexy kind of Beetlejuice. Is Beetlejuice sexy? I don't know, but I'm trying my best. really smoking that out there, and then going over that with that same purple shadow we used earlier. Just blending those two together. And now using this fluffy brush with that lavender shade there, and really going in and smoking it out. Now, I kind of cleaned up the area a little bit here. I don't know why, because I go in, as you can see here, a little bit harsh on the blend. But trust me, wait to the end. It will all come together. Now adding a wing here for that glam look. Really winging it out there. And now cleaning up just a little bit with a Q-tip. And now I'm going to prime my face. I really wanted a good primed face before I put on the foundation. I wanted the foundation to sit on my face nicely, and it really did. Now I pack the primer with loose translucent powder. That's my new thing lately, and I'm really liking the results. It helps the foundation go on very smoothly, and it lasts a bit longer. Now with a white foundation, you really want to build up a coverage, but also make sure to hit those areas like the temples, into the temples a little bit, and certainly on the ears, because that might show, and it's going to look weird if you have, like, you know, nice peach ears and a white face. You know what I mean? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about, right? So yeah, blend. I know it gets a little bit tiring, but just work it. I have a lot of pigment on my face naturally, so to get the white pale skin, it took some effort, but I feel it was worth it in the end. Now cover onto the neck and the chest a little bit, just where it's going to show, and make sure you set with powder. I didn't show that, but definitely set with powder. And now going in onto the eyebrow with this dark, it says it's a black brow pencil, but it wasn't too harsh, but I wanted definitely a darker brow for this. And now using this cool toned eyeshadow as a contour. Most of my contour powders are a bit warm, and I didn't want any warmth for this look, you know, because we did and everything. Now going in with that kind of lavender shade as kind of a blush and a little bit of a contour on the nose. A little bit above the cupid's bow, just to make the color a little bit cohesive. And I'm using this lime green shadow. Honestly, I didn't know what I was going to do with this shadow. I've had it for a couple of years, but it ended up being perfect for this look. And I'm just going over the areas where like moss grows on his face. I mean, have you seen the movie? I love this movie. It's probably one of my favorite Tim Burton movies like ever. And now I'm going to use actual moss. Yeah, I just got it from the craft store like years ago for some project. I don't remember what. And then I'm attaching it with eyelash glue, which worked very well, thankfully. I was afraid I was going to have to use spirit gum for this, and I try not to use too much spirit gum. It can be a little bit harsh on my skin, but luckily the lash glue worked really, really well. Now going in with this purple lipstick by MAC, but you can use any lipstick that you have that you feel will go with this makeup look. It doesn't have to be purple. I've seen other looks with like black lips or even like the lime green lips. Whatever you're most comfortable with. I just kind of wanted to do the purple. But once I was done, I felt it was a little pinky for this look, so I went over the lips with the same shadows that I had used on my face, and I like that a lot more. And there we go. That is the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and pop on a wig. Now the wig is actually one of my old wigs that I just put extensions over the top of them, that I used that like hairspray, the colored hairspray from like Party City or whatever over the top of that because I didn't want to ruin my wig, and I'm so glad I did it this way. It looks weird, but for the look, it's fine. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for visiting me today. I appreciate it more than you know, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.